What up? We back. We starting off in EO. We already on a delivery. Doing the DoorDash right now. KFC closed. Looking crazy. There go East Orange. KFC closed. Oh, that's an emergency person. But as you can see, we're on Central Ave, East Orange, New Jersey right now. About to come up on the red light. 24/7 still open. Enterprise closed. I picked up an order on Poppy's off of Central Ave, next to that pizza shop. Right now we about to pass, what's this shit? Shepherd Ave, where the McDonald's and the Popeyes at. We just at the red light for now. Finally we on green. Oh, motherfucker in front of me slipping and sliding. Look at him. Slipping and sliding, bro. Slipping and sliding. Goddamn. And it ain't pretty out here, bro. Earlier it was alright, but right now it ain't pretty for shit, cause look at the ice building up. While I'm driving, this shit is building up. But you know, we gotta grind. It's grind time. Make that bread. Oh shit. This shit closed. Everything closed. Look at this shit. CVS closed. I picked up an order from Wendy's earlier. Wendy's still open. Alright. We about to pull up on South Munn. We going straight. Hold on, let me adjust my shit over here. Look like these little Poppy stores are open. The little Dominican restaurant open. Alright, so society's still functioning, guys and girls. Society's still functioning. And I realized you get a little extra money. There was a Dash that offered me to drive all the way to Hoboken in Jersey City. And I was like, hell nah. Hell to the fuck nah. It was $21, 17 miles. However, it was just, in this weather, you never know what might be going on. So it's like best to just play it safe. Just play it safe. But yeah, the Dunkin' Donuts still open. I'm surprised KFC was closed. It's looking fucking crazy out here, especially with the damn thing going on, guys. Look at this shit. Look at this shit, yep. My car is swerving and fucking up and shit. And I'm doing a delivery right now. Doing a delivery right now, guys. Got people in their car, driving. Going by, there's police by. There's a bunch of shit going on, guys. But you can tell, you can see it's getting thicker. It's getting thicker. We crossing Grove and Central. We crossing Grove and Central. They got the extra supermarket open, but barely ain't nobody there.
Turn right onto South 18th Street.
I'm gonna have to turn on South 18th, because that's what DoorDash got me doing right now. But definitely gonna show you what's going on today in the snowstorm. Take my time taking this turn. I don't want my car to swiggity swerve. I end up doing monkey double backflips out here. But anyhow, y'all, there go the cemetery and shit. I'll see y'all later.